Hey, thanks for joining us. I'm Heather Frank. I'm one of the sales reps here at Fred's Tents, and I'm out here on a gorgeous day, and we are actually putting up one of our brand new products. It's the FW Arbor. Really excited about it. It's a Douglas fir, real wood product, and there's three options in it. You can get it as a standalone product, so it'll be 20 feet by 10 feet, or you can get it as an expandable option, so it'd be 20 feet by 10-foot sections that you can expand out, and there's extension pieces as well. So we have this ready to go. We have our arches, if you can take a look at this, we have our arches exactly where we want them to raise to. It just makes it a lot easier. The guys are putting in the legs currently. On the legs, they're doing an actual, they're only buckling they're only bolting the top bolt. And what we're excited to show you is how this is all going to go together.
So before we begin, let's make sure we have all the items we will need to install our FW Arbor. In addition to the 2 arches, you will need 4 corner brackets, 2 spreaders, 4 legs, 4 base plates, 18 purlins, 10 hex cap screws along with the washers and nuts, 4 tensioners, and 1 ratchet strap to hold beams in place while setting up. As you utilize the tent jack to raise your first arch, make sure you have someone on each end of the arch guiding the legs into place. Once you have secured the leg in place, insert the bottom bolt into the leg. While using the ladders for support, secure the spreader to the arch with your hex cap screws. While the spreader is supported by the ladder, secure 1 corner bracket on each leg into place. With the corner brackets in place and the first arch supported, it is now time to raise the second arch. Once again, make sure someone is on each end of the arch to help slide the leg into place. To secure the leg in place, insert the bottom bolt. Once the leg is in place, guide the arch into position. Using another bolt, secure the spreader. In order to secure the bracket to the leg, you will need to remove the lower bolt. Once the bolt is removed, swing the bracket into place and reinsert the bolt through the bracket and leg. Make sure to tighten the nuts and bolts. Once the arches, legs, and spreaders are in place, use the ratchet to connect both arches together. At this point, make sure to go around and tighten all your nuts and bolts. Before we can stake the foot plates, we want to make sure our arbor is in the exact location that we want it. Once it is, pull a few measurements to make sure our arbor is square. Now it's time to install the purlins. Once all the purlins are in place, you can attach the fabric to the pull rope. Make sure you have 2 people on each side, 2 people to pull and 2 people to feed. As you feed the fabric through the keder rail, make sure both installers pull at the exact same time. Using the tension tool provided in your kit, tension the fabric out. Make sure to tension each side consistently. Thank you for joining us for our installation video of the FW Arbor. If you have any questions, please reach out to your sales rep or email us at sales@wemaketents.com. We hope your new FW Arbor takes your next event to the next level.